Okay, very easy Chevy Pickup, 19, Chevy, 2 patterns, back and front. So, and 2-stage everything. Not that I can't do the other one, but a lot of the newbies that don't like and don't know the panel removal and all, I mean sweep removal, they want to see the typical 2-stage, so we're gonna give that to them. All the other experienced installers just bust out the popcorn or anything else. You know, I know that you're gonna be bored with this. That's cool. For the newbies. All right. I don't blade them because they're new from factory and I don't use blades anymore. There they are, but I don't use them. They're kind of dangerous, scratching glass, all this kind of stuff, as you guys already know. Well, if you don't know, soft glass and bad blades, bad combination. Okay. All right, my man. Giving you content so you can start on easy ones, get some courage, and get to the harder ones in the market. Okay. If you don't have a peel board, I have some other videos about peeling on the glass itself outside. So this one I'm going to use a peel board just as an example. You can do it however you want if you have one equipment or the other. Man. Okay. I don't like to touch the film, so that's one method. Do not touch the film. Cleaner install. There it is. There. Here, slide her over, align. Looks really good. Real good. Nice top. Okay. With this type of block squeegee that I have, one time and you're done. You don't need to do this. But just the pass that you're doing and you're done. Let's dry the top real quick for a better quality looking lay. There. And of course my other team is on the other, there on the back. Some other guys there. I take care of 1/3 of the truck. Makes everything go by faster. Get there. There you go. Okay, do that. There. Spatula so you can open the bottom. There you go. Lift this up just like that. Can go down in there and we're good. We're gold. Okay, distribute whatever small fingered with your hand, that way you don't get no creases or anything. Of course, do your job. This angle, of course. Yes, I know it's a Chevy Pickup real easy, but believe me, the newbies will make a fucking mess out of this real quick if they distribute it incorrectly. Okay. All right. if you're going to touch a lot of the film, be sure that you felt whatever card you're using. I highly recommend it. I prefer not to touch film unless I know what if it's clean or not, but don't risk it. It's not worth it. All right, there it is. On the bottom, like that. All right. Just gonna do like one last corner here. There. And perhaps there, and that's it. We're gold. Okay, drying it up. Some film in there, huh? There you go. Milwaukee, nice, huh? $89.75. I'm just drying some of the panel. Don't burn it, please don't. That'll be horrible on your resume. Awesome. Nothing on the side here. You can see all nice. Very good. Moving on to this one now. There you go, my friend. Okay. This is what I meant by the 3M disintegrating. See that piece right there? This is the shit that I don't like. It's a 3M that a lot of people praise and whatever. I'm using it because it's harder than the white one. I don't know where the white one's at. I already threw it away. But this kind of shit ends up in your film. So I am looking for an alternative that maybe go back to the white one. I don't know. Anyway. Especially on this ledge, there's a lot of grime that touches here. Get rid of that. It won't peel back on future roll downs. There it is. All right, man. This guy. All right. Okay. Okay. Two staging, this one same reason. You don't want to touch a film, you don't have to, like I mentioned before. There you go. Take care of that. Right here. There it is.